Hello, Shama Palkushi. In this video, we are going to learn the civilization of chapter number 3 from HSC 12th standard textbook Rencontre. So we are on page number 87. La sécurité sociale. La sécurité sociale est un système de protection collective en France. The social security, the name is what? Social security. It is a system of collective protection in France. La Sécu, its abbreviation, its short form is Sécu. La Sécu nous protège comment? It protects us how? So, si on tombe malade, if we fall sick, la sécurité sociale nous aide à payer les médicaments. Then the security social helps us to pay the medicines. Elle peut aider l'étudiant à payer son loan. It can help the student to pay the rent. Après la retraite, after the retirement, la retraite means retirement. Elle nous assure un revenu régulier. After the retirement, it assures us of a regular revenue. So basically, it is like PF, or just like in India, we have LIC or something like that. Basically, it is for insurance. If someone falls sick, the Social Security will help to pay for the medicines. It can help the student to pay for the rent, and after retirement, it helps us by assuring a regular revenue. Now the second one, la carte vitale. La carte vitale. Vital means vital, basically important, but it is the name of some card. Now what is it? La carte vitale est le lien entre la sécurité sociale et nous. The carte vitale is the lien. Lien means the link between the social security and us. Elle est importante pour les remboursements médicaux. It is the link between the social security and us. It is important for the medical reimbursements. Like basically, it is some card which contains your information. If you want to reimburse for some medicines that are covered under the insurance or the policy of social security, you have to get that card. So in this lesson, there were 2 points. La Sécurité Sociale, it is just like some insurance or LIC. If we fall sick, the social security helps us to pay for the medicines. It can help the student to pay for the rent. Sans loyer means rent. And after the retirement, it gives us a regular revenue. And the carte vitale, it is the link between the social security and us. So that is a proof. The carte vitale is a proof that you have some insurance under social security. And it is important for medical reimbursements. Okay. I hope you are through with this topic. See you in my next video of lesson number